So here's the progress on the 302 Ford. I just got the heads on, got timing set and harmonic balancer on there, the heads up there. Just torque those puppies down. They are Flowtech 180 cc's. The seats were recut by Beatty & Wood. Top there's all the roller lifters. They're just kind of sitting in there. I gotta take them out and almost soak them in oil still, I think, too. And I gotta Loctite down that spider, put a couple of washers under it. Now I need the push rods and the rocker caps. So we're getting into the nitty gritty. It's looking pretty cool. Oil pan's on down there. It's all gonna be black. That's my theme. No Ford blue. Only the stand is Ford blue. Yeah, looking good.